The RxJS concat function is used to concat two observable streams to a sequence. It's important that the next observable cannot start until the previous completes. In our example, we will upload an image and check the image for malwares afterwards. We have the observables upload image and check image, which we concat. The observer gets the result of the first observable upload image. After the upload image completes, the check image observable starts emitting. We start by creating image data which we can upload. Then we create two observables to upload the image. As we don't communicate with the real backend, we use auth here, which acts the same way as the HTTP client does. It's important to mention that the auth function and the HTTP client complete the observable after values have been emitted. Now let's use the RxJS concat method. This method is imported from RxJS, not from the RxJS operators module. Inside the concat method, we pass in the observables in the same sequence. They should do the work. To see what happens, we log the result in the console. In the app component, we subscribe to the observable we just created. In the HTML part, we just call the method when we click the button. When we hit the button, we see the result of each observable in the expected order. If you want to see more about RxJS, then hit the subscribe button and let me know in the comments.